Good evening, everyone. I've had a really fun day today, splitting and cutting up some wood, and tonight particularly, and I thought I'd show you a couple of old saws side by side. Although incredibly, I've run out of petrol this afternoon, which I can hardly believe. So I have a little bit of fuel left in my C51, which I cut for the first time with, in time warp now, I can't remember if that was yesterday or if that was this morning. Okay, can't remember. Right, and so this one had arrived in with another batch of American saws, and was a non-worker. But this runs so fantastic. So today I have another Oregon fully dressed bar, and so I put a fully dressed genuine Oregon solid nose bar onto her, and a nearly new Oregon full chisel chain. And I thought I'm just going to show this one running again because it just starts so perfectly since it's had the coil replaced, with the stator plate replaced. And then I was looking at one of my other gorgeous saws, which are incredibly hard to find and rare. This is one of my Homelite 563s. Ever so early saw, very rare. So only made this saw from, I think, for just 1 year, depending how they serial numbers, between 62 and 63 I think is the official date. Although I think I have an advert showing them still available from some dealers in 64 and 65. They very early saw, gorgeous saw, and so short-lived before they did a design change and went away from this top tank and top oil tank mount. This is one for another day when I haven't touched more fuel. So I'll show that one running because she sounds like thunder. And so a slightly newer cousin, the C51. So she's a 77cc. Apparently can run up to a 30-inch bar. They're so torquey. And compressor going. Hope you can still hear me. And so she's only missing now just two things, which is this little aluminium shielding for the back, and also the little cap for the choke pull. And so I've spoken to shout out to Marcus, hi, spectacular chainsaw collection. I don't know how many American saws you have, Marcus, but it's a lot. And he has a spare cover, and so this saw is up for sale on eBay, and in the meantime, if it doesn't sell, this back cover is available for around £18 plus postage. And also Marcus has some aluminium silencers, and I think they're £12 around that number. And what else have I done with her today? Changed the felling spike bolts to countersunk stainless steel bolts. Cleaned the felling spike up a little bit. Okay, can't wait to show you a cutting again. So I have a little bit of ash set up, and it's just an amazing starting engine. So, kill switch, throttle lock, choke. Right, can't remember, so I'm working on the other one, which way on the kill switches. Yeah, of course this is up. Right. There we go. Right. she cuts amazing, even better. So what I did was I took off the other Oregon Supertronic guide bar with, I guess, just, you know, multiple years of use on her, and this guide bar, the drive rails are perfect and have been dressed, and wow, it's just, so that's solid ash, and it's just, it's through in just, it feels so satisfying to cut with. We need to find a bigger piece of wood, guys, just to do one more cut. It's getting late, and okay, I have a suitable donor. 1 second. Oh. Yeah, perfect. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's perfect. Right. Let's. Hey. Let's have a look at that one, guys. Oh yeah, okay, that's great. Let's see. Make sure I'm in shot. We keep running out of battery or out of memory on the camera. No, we're good for both. Okay, so this is about about 20-21 inches across. Let's see how she cuts in this. 1 second. Oh, such an amazing saw to use. Kill switch. Oh. Hey guys, what a fantastic cut. She cuts beautifully. Well, I wanted to show her again just because she's just a gorgeous, gorgeous running engine. That wood is solid, and some really nasty knots running through there as well as catching, and just the engine note kind of stays constant. She just drags the bar through the wood. Incredibly, incredibly satisfying saw to own and cut with. So, there she is. That's the Homelite C51. Early 60s, mid 60s saw, 77 cc's. Now has a gorgeous, gorgeous Oregon redressed solid nose guide bar, excellent condition, full chisel Oregon chain, new bolts on the felling spike. I've put a new pull cord on her. She has a new plug, a refurbished, or you know, a nice condition coil stator plate assembly, and the result is an engine which just is guys, thanks for watching. Love to hear any comments. These are just the dying breed of saws now, trying to find any early 60s Homelites, completely original silencer, all the original nuts and bolts present is so difficult. It's so difficult. All she needs to be perfect, like I say, is this back cover and the little Bakelite plastic tip which goes on the end of the choke. Obviously it still works, but it'd be just nice to have that last part as well. I'll inquire about that as well in the meantime. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll show the the 563 very soon.
Bye for now.